Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Monzo card. First, download the Monzo app from your phone's app store. Once installed, open the app and log in using your existing details. You'll then be prompted to activate your physical card. Simply enter the last 4 digits of your new Monzo card when requested. After activation, you'll securely set your personal 4-digit PIN directly within the app, ensuring your card is ready for use. It's a quick and straightforward process. Now that your card is active, let's get some money into your account. The easiest way is to transfer funds from another bank using your Monzo account number and sort code found in the app. You can also deposit cash at over 28,000 pay point locations across the United Kingdom with a small fee. Plus, you can receive payments directly, like your salary, or set up direct debits and standing orders for bills. It's designed to make managing your money simple. With funds in your account, you're ready to use your Monzo card. Pay contactlessly, use chip and PIN, or shop online with ease. The Monzo app is your financial hub, providing instant notifications for every transaction. You can track all your spending in real time, helping you stay on top of your budget. Plus, if you ever misplace your card, you can instantly freeze and unfreeze it directly from the app, giving you complete control and peace of mind. Finally, let's talk about security and support. Always keep your Monzo app and phone's operating system updated to benefit from the latest security enhancements. Remember, Monzo will never ask for your full card number or PIN, so never share these details with anyone. If you need help, Monzo's award-winning support team is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, directly through the in-app chat. Report any suspicious activity immediately for swift action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.